Healthcare has been an important part of the Seventh-day Adventist Church since its inception. The Adventist Church is the largest Protestant healthcare provider with more than 700 institutions worldwide. The Church's medical influence stretches far and wide, including to the West African country of Ghana. An Adventist hospital was built in the city of Kumasi in 1984. After many years of caring for their community's health, the hospital workers wanted to inspire the next generation of caretakers.
The school started with the hospital, the main hospital, who dreamt one day to put up a training school attached to the hospital.
In 2015, the SDA Nursing and Midwifery Training College in Ashanti region was established. They started small, but quickly realized how much need there was for this training.
From 2015 to now, it's about 8 years now, and we started with 22 students. Currently, we number about 882 students or so. And you can imagine the trend that we have. We still want more people.
Abigail is one of the current students in the nursing program. She was very excited to start her studies, but soon realized that her anatomy class was more difficult than she expected.
So when the tutor came to class, teaches, it's been like, what is he talking about? Like, I didn't get to get the knowledge, the understanding. So anytime, what am I even doing in this school? Then I just pray to God that I will be able to pass the anatomy.
God quickly answered Abigail's prayer. On the very next anatomy quiz, she received the highest mark in the class. The other students recognized how well Abigail was doing in the class and gave her an affectionate nickname.
So from then, the teacher started giving me the name Madam Anatomy or Anatomy Madam. Thanks be to God. Since from first year, I've been the one with the highest score for anatomy.
The school has made a difference for students like Abigail, but not only in their academics. The spiritual life and atmosphere have also made a big impact on the students, especially those without an Adventist background.
They are non-Adventists, but the spirit of Adventism still lives in them, because I've been watching most of them, their WhatsApp status, and every Sabbath you see a lot of them posting Happy Sabbath, Happy Sabbath. Just recently, we baptized about 18 students.
The Adventist Nursing and Midwifery Training College has become a place of high demand for education. Their biggest issue is space. They have been growing so quickly that their classrooms are overfilled. It has made it very difficult for teachers to effectively train the students.
But the challenge has been with space. Space for students to sleep in terms of accommodation, classroom sizes. As you came around, I hope you've gone around and you can see the classrooms congested with about over 100 students in one class with no other audible medias to even speak to them. We will be extra happy if additional classroom blocks are put up for some of the students so that we can at least admit more. Because there are more people who applied but couldn't get opportunity to come because we don't have the space.
This quarter, part of your 13th Sabbath offering will help the school complete the construction of new classrooms. This will allow hundreds of future nurses and midwives to realize their full potential. Please pray for this school in Ghana and the huge network of Adventist healthcare institutions around the world continuing to care for people's needs, just as Jesus did.